Welcome to Torre Camichín, an exclusive boutique condominium in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, where luxury meets comfort and breathtaking views steal the show.
This apartment features 2 independent studios. The small studio is fully furnished for a comfortable stay. It includes a kitchen, bed, closet, and covers, as well as a space that can be used as a TV area, desk, or dining table. It also has a full bathroom and a small terrace to enjoy the fresh air. The main studio is a large and offers a spacious kitchen, breakfast bar, living room, full bathroom, laundry area, and a dining room with views of the mountains and the sea. This studio includes a Murphy bed and a large terrace to enjoy the view.
The building offers a spectacular 360 rooftop with ocean, city, and mountain views. Here, you can relax in the pool, enjoy the jacuzzi, work out in the gym, or share unforgettable moments in the lounge area, all with secure and modern access.
Torre Camichín is only 10 minutes from the iconic Playa de los Muertos, the heart of Puerto Vallarta, where you will find vibrant beach clubs and the famous pier with impressive views and excellent atmosphere. Just a few steps away is Olas Altas Street, one of the most popular areas in the city. Here you can find traditional restaurants, art galleries, banks, and pharmacies. Everything you need in the same neighborhood. While in the area, don't forget to visit the market at Parque Lázaro Cárdenas, a colorful space where you can discover local crafts, unique products, and authentic Vallarta creations. Additionally, Torre Camichín is only 30 minutes from the Puerto Vallarta International Airport.
Your window to paradise in Puerto Vallarta. Live, enjoy, and invest in a truly unique place. If you like this unit or want more information, leave a comment or visit mexlife.com. Thank you for watching.